Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today's May the 15th, 2023. Let's get started. What do you guys think about this? What would you think if there was going to be a short-term crash in Palantir? I'm going to show you all from the price chart on an hourly perspective that the buyers of the market in Palantir currently are not buying. And if they're not buying at these current price levels, then obviously price has to go lower to induce people to come in and buy the stock. Now, I did a video for Palantir on May the 10th. Okay, so 5 days ago. And you guys can see that I anticipated that prices are going to go higher in Palantir, and it has hit our price targets. It didn't run all the way up to 11 yet. It hasn't done that yet. But I want you all to understand that there's nothing new on the price chart. You guys can see how price in Palantir has failed to hold price above 10 bucks. That should not come as no surprise, because we saw the same thing back in February. We saw these two peaks created. Now, the last time we saw Palantir run up here to like $10.50, $10.25, the market immediately fell, i.e. short-term crash. Are we going to get the same thing today? Right now, charts don't lie. And you guys can even see in pre-market, the market is trading at $9.16 right now. So these areas which we identified is going to be real important in Palantir. $9, and then down here at $8.50. Okay, I'm here to tell you this now. So when this market moves lower, you won't be scared. You won't be nervous. You actually know that, hey, someone actually told me about this, to be prepared for Palantir to go lower. Because when you see this on the hourly chart, you guys can actually tell off of all of the weakness that we're getting. This is Palantir on the 3-day. And we began to see the weakness into the market in Palantir really begin here. This is where the up fake created. This is where the sellers enter the market in Palantir. And then you guys can see here we have another up fake being created, another indicator letting us know that price is weak. And then again on the next 3 hours, look at this. We're not seeing any strength being created into the market in Palantir. More weakness, a push to go down bar indicator. And then we're seeing another push to go down bar indicator right now. So now we need to see, in order for this price prediction, which is on our chart today, in order for it to maintain its validity, it needs to hold price. The buyers needs to come in and keep the market propped up around 9 bucks. If we see price trade below $9, I cannot be bullish anymore. If the buyers are not buying, we should not be bullish, period. Okay. So look at Palantir on the 7-hour. Again, you're seeing the same type of indicators, up fake and 2 push to go down bar. You should not be buying the market. The market is already telling us you should not be buying Palantir right now because sellers are currently dominating the space. That is why I'm creating this video now, to give you all a heads up that price currently is weak in Palantir. Were you able to profit from that massive run-up? Because it wasn't long. I had a price target in Palantir at $10. And you guys can see that even here on the 10th, and then again on May 11th, that is where the target was hit on those 2 days. Were you able to skim off some profit? Because that was 5% profit right there, or 4.82%. If you did that, congratulations, because you're actually holding on to your plan. Because so many people would want to hold on to the stock, and we're getting indication that the market should not be held. People are selling it. And if you're not selling, then you're the one taking the brunt of the hits as this price continues to go lower. Now, am I saying that Palantir is going to crash? I can't say that yet because I'm still looking for buyers to come in at $9. Now, if I see price trade below $9, then yes, I will have to say Palantir could go a lot lower. Preferably back down to this trend line, which has been created. Okay, I don't want you all to get caught up, because it seems to me that when you look at the price chart in Palantir, that every time it comes across earnings, every time, for one, volume increases. Two, the market either goes higher and then immediately following the earnings, it goes back down. Just look at the history. So even though there's a lot of videos being created, pumping up Palantir, saying that it's the new Tesla, the chart doesn't reflect that yet. Now, what I'm going to do, even though I do recognize that price is weak in Palantir, I may just drop another one. So we're going to go ahead and drop another price prediction in the market in Palantir. We're going to look for it to go lower, right? And $9 is going to be real important for me. Okay, I want to see the market hold $9. So that will have to be a first target. Right there around $9. That's 4.5% move to the downside. Okay. If I see the market in Palantir go below $9, I'm going to get rid of this price prediction that I'm looking for to go higher. Okay. That's going to be another 5% move lower. So that will balance out the predictions. Okay. And then we'll switch over and look for price in Palantir to continue to go lower. Got it? So outside of us not holding $9, my second target will have to be around, we'll do 865. Okay. So let me bring the magnifying glass out so you guys can see it better. So our first target is $9. Okay. That gives us around 4.5%, $9. And then our second target is like $8.65. That's 8.85%, 865 there. And third target, let's just do 850. That's 10.43% move to the downside in Palantir, 850 there. Okay, so I'm going to hold on to this current price prediction that I had earlier, but I really don't like what's been going on into the market in Palantir. And I'm going to give the market the opportunity to confirm and to convince us that buyers are still holding the market at $9. That's the only reason why I'm not going to get rid of it yet. That's the only reason. Okay. So now, give me your thoughts. Make sure you maintain the profitability. And as always, trade different.